Hey guys, welcome to a new episode. Today I'll be talking about SELFIERIA by Selfie Museum, the first museum in Malaysia and Langkawi dedicated to the art of selfie. Visitors to this quirky museum take selfies amid vibrant desert-themed installations. It features 9 themed rooms for visitors to live out their wildest photo fantasies while savoring Malaysian-inspired desserts. Yes, real ones, along the way. This museum covers approximately 7,000 square feet that are dedicated to the art of selfies. If you're wondering about the rooms, well, let's just say you can expect cakes, M&Ms, marshmallows, ice creams, and just look at those life-size desserts. Enjoy!